The most important strategy for predicting the future of trendline market, which has several important secrets that you did not know. Make it easier with this strategy. Identifying the trend. First, you need to identify the trend in the price chart. The trend can be upward and downward or sideways. To identify a trend, you need a connect to or more high and their average with line. If your line is displayed from the bottom to top on the price chart, there is an upward, and if it's displayed from the top to the bottom, there is a downward. The secret of this strategy is that you have to drive a trend line correctly and wait for failure or continue. Well, the important reason of driving a trend line are that the new price selling is higher than the previous price selling in upward trend, and the new floor is higher than the previous floor in the trend. If it is bullish, it means that the trend line is right with the decisions of the price action, and during correction or pullback, it is strong towards the trend line again. And maybe it will pump when it does not reach the trend line, but it is not enough. Well, what is the breaking of trend line? It is a breaking that the price should not go up or down in one direction. You should take a break or play in the middle of the trend line so that the orders of the will wake up. Well, if the price lags one, then a correction or upward, or do it downwards. With a failure in the direction of the price trend, it will move the end higher, up or down. But if the price corrects before it reaches the trend line and removes fatigue, the trend line will help you to bring the price its goal. Make it wet. Thank you for liking the video. The part has been told and the next important part is left. How can we understand that the trend line that we have dropped will support or break if the price hits it? It will come strong up or down. Remember, if before reaching the corrective trend line or moving feed, it will come to trend line and break the correction. It goes to the trend line, it goes down, but after a while, with the help of price action, it will come back again. With FIBO and EMA 20 tools, we can more easily know that I will do. With a correction that hits our trend line, we consider that our trend is upward and the price of true correction means 2 legs and hits the trend line. Note, if you see that the trend line lines has reaction several times before, it means that it has tried to rise the price several times. In these cases, it goes up 17% and the TPs touch the price first, but 13% can also happen. This is support and have resistance means that in the upward trend it has an important daily or 4-hour resistance. This can ruin or strategy and move downwards. But even the FIBO and EMA 20 tools can run. Used in such cases. Well, how can the EMA 15 and above the price and or downward trend is recent and moves? That is, the trend is reserved and the EMA 20 breaks with the powerful Marabozo candle and moves downward and makes a stop. Trend confirmation. Confirm a trend, prices need to confirm the highest or level high. Typical trend line and confirmed by reaching or failing prices in the trend area. Confirmation with price patterns. In addition to using the trend line, checking price patterns can also be useful for confirming the trend and deciding whether to enter or exit trades. Some of the famous price patterns include engulfing patterns, head and shoulders, and continuation patterns. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope it is a good video to find trend line. From now on, most of the video will be the same strategy.